Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track your home location in Heartopia to make you easier in going back to your home. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm at the central town and then I'm going to go back to my home. And to make it easier to find our home, we can use the map. Select the map and then you can find your home right here, the one with the yellow or this orange location. Okay, this is my home and then I'm going to track my home, and we need to follow the guidance to find our home. Okay, our home is, my home is right there. Okay, you just need to follow this home icon to find your home location. Okay, we need to go this way. Okay, just like this guys, and you need to follow the tracking until you find your home. Okay guys, and that's how you can find your home or track your home location in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.